Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the server folder that you created on Discord mobile into a different name and in a different color. So if I just open up Discord, you'll notice on the left hand side where all the different servers are, you can see I have a folder at the top. This is the new update that they released. So if you want to go into the settings of that specific folder and change either the name or change the color, as you can see it's a greenish color. So all you need to do is long press on the folder. It's going to open up a separate pop-up and it says folder settings. So I can now edit the name. So I can change it to, let me just call it Digital Unraveled. And then you can change the folder color. Just tap on the color. Let me make it blue. Then tap on select at the bottom right. And then tap on save. Now you can see it's a bluish color, and if I long press on it, you can see it's called the new name that I gave it. And that's all you need to do. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.